What's up, you guys? I am back with another YouTube video. Now, I know it has been a minute since I have uploaded a video, period. Finals were great. Thanks for asking. Finals really killed me. I was going through a lot, and I was also in the process of moving and packing up my stuff for my apartment. Not like I'm going anywhere, but just, you know, just wanted to pack it up because don't want no dust, don't want no dirt on my stuff. So I'm bringing this video to you guys. This is just a tutorial for a night out on the town for the summertime. If you want to switch it around, this is a very versatile look. You can apply a nude lip instead of a bold lip, switch out some colors, and comment what you like for your makeup routine in the summertime. I'm definitely going to do an updated haul and a depth. I'm buying more stuff. I'm definitely gonna do a updated foundation routine for the summertime, and also if you would like a brow routine, please like this video. I will definitely add in what I do to maintain these brows, and let's get on to the video. Okay, so we're starting off with a fresh face, and we're also starting off with some pretzels. I was hungry, y'all, but I needed to put those down because I need to get onto my eyebrows. Now, I don't usually post a eyebrow routine. I just go on with the video, but if you would like a eyebrow routine, please like this video. So to prime my eyes, I'm using my HD concealer by NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just going to pack this into my eye just to make sure that, you know, I got no creases, no lines, and my eyeshadow goes on smoothly. And to set my eyes, I'm just using the Ben Nye Luxury Powder in Banana. Now with this fluffy blending brush, I'm taking this color from Morphe. I will have all the palettes listed below, and I'm just going to use this as my transition shade for my crease, and this is going to be my staple color. It's going to be the color I'm using the most, so I want to just make sure I pack on most of that color. To layer on some color, I'm taking GNO from Colourpop's Yes Please palette, and I'm just adding that on top of the transition color that I just applied. Now for my crease color, I'm going to be taking French Kiss, also from the Yes Please palette, and I'm going to apply that to the outer V. And I just want to make sure that when I apply this, I just stipple it on there, and I'm going to be blending it out later. Now using this tapered blending brush, I'm going to blend it inward and upward. I want to make sure that I have a smoky effect going on, so I don't want to drag that too far, but I also want to make sure that I blend it out enough where it doesn't look choppy. To finish out the eye look, I'm going to be using my NYX HD concealer, and I'm just going to be carving out my eyelid. I don't want to do too much, but I also want it to be visible when I do apply color. So adding the concealer did help a lot.
That's good.
Now for the lid color, I'm going to be taking this peachy orange and just applying it all over my lid. I loved the way it looked with my crease, the colors that I applied, but I did want a little bit more dimension. So after patting that on, I did apply some shimmery shadow. And this did help me when creating this look because the shimmery shadow did bring out the color more. So I'm just applying that all over my lid and making sure that I have all the colors. And I'm also going to go back in and blend all the harsh lines out. Moving on to the face, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I love this primer because it gives me a really nice glow under all of my makeup. So I'm just going to dot up my face and rub it in. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Matte and Poreless. I'm in the color 340 Cappuccino, and to apply this foundation, I'm going to be using a Morphe brush. I find that when I stipple this into my skin, it gives me the best results for a full coverage look. To blend out all my harsh lines, I'm going to be taking the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. I love this beauty sponge. I love how many sides it has. Being that it is a diamond, it does definitely help me get into those hard to reach areas that a beauty blender can't help me get into. For concealer, I'm going back in with my NYX HD concealer. I love this concealer, as y'all can tell. So I'm just going to apply this all over my eye area. And I'm also going to be using a different concealer. I'm going to be taking Colourpop's Tan 50 No Filter Concealer. And I'm applying this on top of the NYX concealer as a highlight. To set all of my highlight, I'm going to be taking, again, my Ben Nye Luxury Powder in Banana, and I'm going to be setting all over my face basically because I do need that extra coverage in the summertime. I need it to be not all over my clothes. For contour, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder kit. Usually I do cream, but lately, you know, powder is less abrasive, and also it is hot outside, so we don't need to be doing too much, says the person who's already doing too much. Yes, powder queen. I'm going to be taking a powder brush and just removing all that excess powder that I had sitting on my face. I couldn't really find my blush kit and babe was distracting me, so you know I had to get a little affection in. Taking my BH Hollywood palette, I am going in and just applying a little bit of blush onto my cheeks. Not too much, but enough to where I needed to bring a little bit of color back. Now to line my under eye, I did have a problem because I ran out of eyeliner, so I decided to use my Colourpop eyebrow pencil. So that is what I am doing. I find it easier, it's affordable, it's the same thing. Don't at me. To finish up my under eye, I am also taking the color GNO in French Kiss from the Yes Please palette and just applying that on top of the liner. Now to set my face, I'm using the Milani Make It Last. This was my first time using the spray, and y'all, that spray came at me like no one's business. Using Urban Decay's Afterglow palette, I'm using the color Side Piece, and this is my brow bone and my highlight for the day. Using Lullaby from Colourpop, this is a matte lipstick. I'm just using this as my base because I am applying a different color on top.
That's good.
Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I wanted to add a little bit of pop of color for the summertime. I just got home from college and I am excited to be going out and to be trying new things and doing new things. So at night, when it's time to show out, show up and show out, this is it. This is the look we're going for. To create the lip, I did use two different types of colors. I used Colourpop's Lippy Stick in Lullaby. This was from the New Theory Lippy Sticks kit. And I also used the Milani Cosmetics Matte Luxe. I did not really like the way that this went on to my lips. I felt like it was a little bit chalky and it did not have as much color as I was expecting it to, being that it was such a bright color. But it steered me wrong. It definitely does not look the way that it shows itself on camera and on your lips, especially in person. Like, you can't tell the difference between the two. So I was having a little bit of trouble when I applied it. I tried 3 different liners and it just wasn't working for me. So I had to go on ahead and apply this one to my lips. Now, I like this color. However, I do feel like it is a little bit chalky. And I said that in my Colourpop review. And honestly, y'all, matte lips is not the way to go this summer. But if you want to spice it up, you can add a gloss. And for me, y'all know I love my Carmex. I just plop my Carmex on the bottom and on the top of my lips and I'm good to go. And that's all I really got, cause if you ain't bold, then do a new lip. But if you're bold, go ahead and get it. So guys, that is it, and I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you are feeling my content. I will have a lot more content uploading for you guys. Just stay tuned, be patient, wait up. We got this. We together. Alright guys, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.